Alright, so today I'll be playing banjo kazooie. And the thing about this playthrough, it's gonna be special because this is my first playthrough on the channel that I've done on my Xbox. So yeah, special playthrough. And also sorry the screen's too shiny and stuff. Like, I'll need a capture card to fix that problem. So anyway, yeah, we're starting the game. Banjo kazooie. Play game. I already have a file on here, see? So we're just gonna do this one. And also I'm doing this in a different room because the Xbox is in a different room than the Switch. Ding pot, find a bench. Who's the nicest looking wench? Why, it's Grunty any day. She really takes my breath away. You are. Yes, you're right. I'm rather proud. My looks stand me out from the crowd. You look ugly. You're what? Okay. But there is this girl. What do you mean? This cannot be. There's no one prettier than me. Bro, anyone could be prettier than you. But yeah, she's the prettiest girl of all. No, you must be mad. Nicer beauty can't be had. Unfortunately, I think you'll find it's Tootie. She's cute and kind. Yo, wipe the game for it? Okay. Well, we'll see about that. Why is Grunty acting like she actually looks good? Yo. Hi there, Tootie. What are you going to do today? When my big lazy brother wakes up, we're going on an adventure. That's nice. That's real nice. Yo, he's just sleeping. Wake up. I want to go on an adventure too. If Tootie thinks she's fairer than me, I'll steal her looks and ugly she'll be. Is that your brother? Where, Mr. Mole? I can't see him. Up there in the sky. I don't think so. Who is that? Come to me, my little pretty. You'll soon be ugly. What a pity. Why is she always rhyming for every sentence she does? Let me go, you old hag. Don't scratch and bite, my little bear. You'll soon need bigger underwear. Yeah, she's rhyming for everything she does. Oh no, she's got her. Somebody help. Banjo, wake up. Now. Yeah, I'm liking this game already. What do you want, Kazooie? Let's get outside, there's trouble. And yeah. Alright, we're playing as Banjo. Listen up, I'm Bottles, the short-sighted mole. I'm Banjo, and this here's my buddy Kazooie. Sure is a strange-looking buddy, Banjo. Can it talk? Better than you can, Goggle Boy. What was all that noise about? Where's my sister, Tootie? The ugly witch Gruntilda swooped down out of the sky and grabbed her. Calm down, Geeky, we'll get her back. Where did she go? She flew up to her mountain lair. It's really dangerous, so you'll probably need some training before you go up there. Press A if you want me to teach you some basics, or press B if you think you're already good enough. I played this game before, so I'll just press B. You bet we're good enough, Bottle Brain. Very well. I'll give you your basic moves. Meet me at the top of Spiral Mountain. Now, let me just see something. I'm pretty sure there's a 1-up up here. Yep, there is. Look out for me, I'm an extra life. But before we go up the Spiral Mountain, we're gonna collect some of these, like, extra honeycomb pieces. Not the ones that heal us, but the ones that will give us, like, an extra health point. It's like, I'm an extra honeycomb piece. Yeah, collect 6 of us to increase your energy bar. So it's basically like the heart containers from Zelda. And also, if you're wondering why I'm not doing the N64 version, there's two main reasons. The first reason is, and the most obvious reason, because the Xbox version looks better. And the second reason is because if you die in the N64 version, you lose all the notes you collected, but in the Xbox version you don't. That's why I chose to do the Xbox version. We got it. Now get out of here, vegetable. Let's just continue getting some more of these extra honeycomb pieces. I'm sticky, tasty honey energy. Carrot. Oh, there's a 1-up. Now there's just one more piece we need. I'm pretty sure it's 1-up. Yeah, it's this one over here. Did it? Yeah, we gained an extra piece, and that's all for Spiral Mountain. Time to head for Gruntilda's lair. But why would you want to live here where there's like vegetables with eyeballs? Like, if I saw a vegetable with eyeballs in real life, I would be like really freaked out. So you're ready to tackle the witch now? We sure are. Show us the way, Bottle Boy. Cross the bridge to enter Gruntilda's lair. Look out for me inside. Good luck. Let's go. No, why did I do that? Good thing I landed in the water. But that was actually pretty funny. Like I know this game has fall damage and stuff, so I would've took damage. Like, I fell off the bridge. I don't know anyone who like really falls off the bridge, and I haven't seen anyone fall off the bridge in this game. That's like a first time thing for me. Well, anyway. Oh. Dang, she can't even fit. This fine contraction, so I'm told, will make me young and 2D old. Let me go, you fat hag. My brother will come and kick your butt. Rescue you, he will not dare. There's many dangers in my lair. Harry Clungo, pushed out switch. I'm tired of being an ugly old witch. Yes, mistress, grunty power is on, soon be ready. Banjo, help. That Clungo, he reminds me, the way he talks, it reminds me of the way that one statue was talking in Mario & Luigi Superstar Saga. There he is, the fun begins. My tricks and traps will see who wins. Hey, it's me, Mr. Jiggy. Now go and find a picture with a piece missing. Yeah. Go. I just have to do that. That's like... Alright, so how Clungo talks, it reminds me of the statue guy that you have to like help get unstressed in Mario & Luigi Superstar Saga. Like Luigi has to jump over the fire. Ah, there's the piece that he was talking about. You found a jigsaw puzzle. Stand on the jigsaw-shaped podium and I'll explain what you have to do. To enter the world showing on the picture, you must fill in the missing space with the jigsaw piece. We got the first jigsaw piece, Goggle Boy. Great to fill in the missing space on a picture, press A. If you don't want to use any jigsaw pieces, press B to leave. Alright. That's it. The picture's complete and the door to Mumbo's Mountain is open. That was such an easy fit. The others may just test your wit. Yo. Hold on. There are 3 new moves to learn in this world. Find my molehills and I'll explain. Hold on. I'm pretty sure I've heard this music in memes before. Hold on, let me just see if my camera's right. Okay, it's good. Yo, who's this? Who's this again? I forgot. Yippee! You saved me. Gruntilda has imprisoned 5 of us Jinjos on each world. Free us all to get a Jiggy. Yeah, they're Jinjos. And what's this again? Me Mumbo's token used for Mumbo's magic. Okay, it's a Mumbo token. Okay, I remember all these things again. This is the note. I'm gonna note one of 100 world. 1 of 100 on each world. Connect us to get there. Thanks a bit, Sophia. Find me and I'll teach you how to get up steep slopes. Oh yeah. Oh, another Jinjo. Let's go. I saw a gorilla. Like it was oh, another molehill. The talent truck will let Kazooie tackle steep slopes with ease. That sounds useful. How does she do it? Hold the right trigger, then press the left trigger. Continue to hold the right or left trigger while moving Kazooie around with the left stick. Go practice. Now in the original game, you would hold like the Z button, then press the C stick. And also I see the Jiggy. You must search for 10 of us on each world. We'll help you progress through the witch's lair. That's nice. So is it like Power Stars in Mario 64? When you're ready to leave this world, return to the start area and stand on the exit pad. Now at least you don't get booted out the world like in Mario 64. Where are the eggs? Kazooie can learn to use us as ammo. Seems like Kazooie does all the work. And Banjo's just here for movement. Honestly, this is basically just the run button. Ginger, just one more. Yippee, you've collected enough notes to break the first note door spell. Okay, so it's not like Mario 64, where you use Jiggies, well, Power Stars in Mario 64 cases to open doors. Hold on. Yeah, this is the gorilla I was talking about. Gorilla. This congas tree. Me hit bear with oranges. Why would you attack someone with oranges? You clever bear, find congas gold. Let me just take this orange. Hey, that's Conga's orange. Put it back. Yum. Oranges are nice. Yeah, oranges are nice. I like oranges. Me personally. Oh, Chimpy like Conga's orange. Chimpy help Fat Bear and Bird. Rude. Well, Banjo can lose some weight though. So I guess he's right. Oh, another one. Time for the buzzard to learn the ancient way of the egg. I'm listening, Beetle Breath. Hold the right or left trigger, then press Y to shoot an egg out of your mouth. Hey, sounds cool. Anything else? Sure. Press B instead and you can shoot them out from behind. Sheesh. Sounds painful. I wish I never asked. Yeah, this one. Bird Brin can carry up 100 eggs in her backpack. Oh, and you can also use the left stick to aim while you are crouching exciting. Huh. Exciting, huh? Now that you've learned to use the eggs, here's 50 to practice with. Your OG is a little low. I'll put it up for you. Sorry if my commentary's bad. It's just that the text is going slow. Oh yeah, I need to hit that. I still have what I need. Me safe here. Bear can't hit Conga. You sure about that? Yeah, our egg hurt Conga. Ow. You're a Conga good shot. Yeah, I'm really sorry for my commentary being bad. Yeah, beat him. Bear beat Conga. Me give prize to bear. Yo, why are you still shooting oranges? Thought we settled this. Yo, for termites, these guys are pretty big. Hold on. Another molehill. I call this the Beatbuster jump, and jump into the air and press the right or left trigger to send Kazooie slamming hard down to the floor. So it's like a ground pound. Well, I don't like the sound of that banjo. Get used to it, Nest Girl. You'll be using it a lot. Your energy. Okay. Whoa, Banjo, there's nothing more I could teach you on this world. I don't think he says that. I don't think he says that last line in the N64 version. Maybe he does. I don't remember though. Okay, another Jiggy. Five more. Well, get out of here, purple guy. I did not mean to make a FNAF reference. There we go. Found all 5 Jinjos. But seriously, that was a coincidence. Yeah, 6. I'm collecting these pretty quick. We Juju. Mumbo's totem pole feed us with nice blue stones, I think he said. Well, when he says, well, even if he did, he means like this: shoot the eggs inside their mouths. Also, don't shoot this last one. Yeah, we need to do that. Now shoot the last one. And you'll get a Jiggy. Hold on. Okay, I'm just looking real quick. Alright, let's continue collecting. Yo, another Jiggy. Let's see, take all the notes here. Let's check out this area. Hey, ugly, no bears around here. Ticker's rules or something? I wasn't really reading it. Oh, there, let's go. Another Mumbo token. 5. But before checking out that bonehead house, the skull house, let me just. Oh, I was not trying to do that. Let's just go back to the to Conga's area. So we can hit that switch. I'm guessing this beak buster thing is like a ground pound. Well, basically it is a ground pound. It's just different. Ah, a jiggy. I think I remember how to get that. Now let's go to the skullhead house. Go away, leave my honeycombs alone. I was gonna leave it alone, but you had to say something. So I had to, so of course I had to ruin it for you. Yes, I know my commentary's bad. Time to check out this skull. Who is this? Oh, 5. 5 Mumbo tokens? I have 5. Me Mumbo, best shaman in all game, can help Banjo and Filthy Feathered Wine. Watch it, Hut Boy. Mumbo's magic tokens hid by which find tokens and Mumbo help you. Well, I have all 5. Ah, Banjo has plenty tokens. Stand on skull and press X to see mighty Mumbo magic. Not right now. Let me just collect these notes first, then I'll do that. Hold on. Alright, now I'll do it. Please tell me to do it. Really? A termite? Mumbo's magic free to change back. You'll come when ready. Termite bit small, but not bad for first spell. Mumbo practice needed. Yeah. So those are what those Mumbo tokens are needed for. Alright. Hey, where did you get those shorts? I want them. Sorry. No thanks. Not for sale. Give me that cool backpack or else. You're all you do is walk around. You're not gonna do anything. Oh, another one-up. Yo, I see those 3 music notes that I'm missing. Let me go grab them. Yo, I got all 10. You found all 100 notes on this world. Well done. Thanks. Thanks, Bottles. Okay, I'm gonna check out what's in this hole. Oh, another extra honeycomb piece. Since I just said to also climb up steep slopes, maybe I can use it on the steep slope outside this world. Like, it seems like I have everything. Let me check. Yep, everything. Yep. Oh yeah, these are for something else, but I already collected them on my previous file. So yeah, they're like for. So if you don't know what stopping, I'll just tell you like cut to what these are for. So you're supposed to find these stop and swap eggs and this ice key in the first game, which is what I'm playing right now, Banjo Kazooie. Like they're hitting in like every level or something. It's in the ice keys hidden in like the ice world, snow world. Then you have to go to the second game, Banjo Tooie, which I'll probably do for a different series. And then you have to go to this bird so they'll hatch the eggs, and you can unlock special abilities in Banjo Tooie, not in Banjo Kazooie though. And you can also use the ice key to unlock Dragon Kazooie in Banjo Tooie. also not in Banjo Kazooie, and that's what they're used for. Yeah, let's get this jiggy. Mumbo magic get weak, animal turn back or magic go. Mumbo magic all gone, must go back to bear and bird now. Now, this will be the end of this episode, like episode 1. So let's press exit game. Yeah, I'm sure. Yo, what? Yo, what's happening? Banjo's game ends in my tower. Turn it up, I need full power. I wanna see this. Yes, your grunty shit. Transformation soon be complete. Help me, Banjo. I feel all funny. Bear and bird finish. Grunty wins. No, this like so if you quit the game, you get the bad ending. Look at Grunty's. She's a beauty. I'm much prettier than Tootie. I wonder what Tootie looks like. Oh, you are a mistress? Grunty, nice. Come back to Mumbo's skull. I was just reading text. Oh, dang. Banjo, your sister wants a word with you. Now. Game over. So if you just stop playing the game, you get the bad ending, and Tootie gets turned into this ugly monster. Alright. I actually like this. I like if you quit the game, you just immediately get the bad ending. I like that. It's a cool way to keep you like completing the game and not to give up. Well, anyway, that will be the end of this episode, so see ya.